11 Social Media Tips for Real Estate Agents Looking to Reach More Clients. Social media platforms are a great way for real estate agents to get more attention. With a little time, effort, and creativity, you can build a following and brand awareness and showcase open houses, all without spending a dime. Short-form video content on channels like Instagram Reels and TikTok is especially popular, so real estate agents would do well to explore these platforms as part of their overall marketing strategy. To help new realtors develop their social media presence, 11 tips to create engaging and effective content for social media platforms. 1. Aim to connect on a personal level. Stop selling on social media. Ask yourself this question: how many people do you do business with that you do not like? Social media video platforms, such as Instagram Reels or TikTok, are invaluable tools and should be used as a means of connecting with potential clients in a personal way, based on shared interests and values. 2. Focus on quality content. Quality content is key to gaining followers on social media. Anytime you discover a good tip to pass on to potential customers, take a short video on your phone and share it. It's always best when you're in the heat of the moment, with a client at a house, at the closing table, or writing a contract. Make this a part of your daily routine, and always be ready to share helpful tips. 3. Create memorable moments. Social media is key to attracting demographics like Gen Z and Millennials, so inventive leasing offices are creating memorable moments for them to capture and share on Instagram. A new renter autographing a peg for a peg while depicting the building's logo, or sidling up to a vintage sports car in a community's speakeasy lounge spotlights a new home, drives the brand, and boosts interest all in one image. 4. Provide real value. Present consistent value in your social media posts through video, articles, news, etc. The key is to be seen as the expert in your field, and to be in front of your ideal audience consistently. This way, when they are in need of your services, they will see you and reach out to work with you. 5. Capture your audience's attention. Social media is the new business card. To be better at it, agents with every post should ask themselves if it would, or would not, make someone want to work with them. Next, it's important to educate, and not alienate. Know the facts on the subject matter and don't preach. Lastly, be fast and get to the point. Viewers' attention spans are short. If you do not grab it in less than 15 seconds, they won't stay for the rest. 6. Educate your followers. Be a teacher, not a salesperson. A superior teacher demonstrates. Focus all your social media on helping people achieve their goals, instead of what you can get out of it. This philosophy generates millions of views on social media accounts each and every month. 7. Develop effective content. Developing compelling social media content is a cornerstone element of any comprehensive marketing strategy. Video content has been proven to increase engagement with followers, so get used to being in front of the camera. Lifestyle content that appeals to your target audience is generally the most effective content you can create, so show your life as it really is, and watch your audience grow. 8. Know your followers. Remember this: when you aim to speak to everyone, you speak to no one. Your ability to capture attention, build rapport, and convert followers to clients is dependent on your ability to build the know, like, and trust factor. Knowing your target clients, their pain points, dreams, frustrations, and interests will enable you to create content that speaks directly to your prospective clients. 9. Get creative. We have such an incredible opportunity with social media platforms allowing agents to share their listings and personalities with the world for free. Combined, Instagram and TikTok have almost 2 billion active monthly users, whom we have the chance to engage with. Channel your creativity and be authentic. People want to get to know the real you. Don't forget that hashtags are your friends. 10. Post consistently. Consistency is key. It's not that one particular post would make a difference between getting a lead or not. Social media should be used to boost name recognition and have your audience associate real estate with you and your brand. 11. Be yourself. Be authentic and be yourself. If it looks forced or insincere, it likely won't get the organic growth that it would if you were just being yourself. You should already know who your audience is, so creating content that your audience is looking to engage with is key. Your product is you, and your real estate. Showcase both in an authentic way, and you'll see the results.